Akashji, hello everyone. And this was really a pleasant surprise that I am seeing a certificate also. All right. So coming back to my learning, I had a lot of learning this time. I think 7 days I had learned so much, which I think I had not learned in the last 1 year, if I had to say so. So a lot of learnings were there. Firstly, on the time management side, that how can we how can we track our hours, like where our hours are going, what is our my productive hour, what is my non-productive hour, how to track it, so that how can we utilize our day better, so that was very good learning from there. Also, how can we manage our time, how can we manage our priorities, so that thing was there. And then the mindset shift was there, right? We have to treat our time as money. So if we are left with less money, how would you invest our money? So same thing we have to apply to our time as well. So that mindset shift was, I think, pretty vital for me. And then small things in our life, right, which we don't even notice, which we are least bothered about, which we think that these things will not matter to us, but over the period of time, that makes the biggest impact, if that is working against us, be it our health, be it our career, be it our relationship. Because it happens that if I talk about relationship, right, probably we take our spouses and our parents for granted, right? So if we are putting small effort, to let our feeling, if we are telling our feeling to our spouse or parents, so that will make our relationship stronger, but at the same time, if we ignore things, and we take some relationship for granted, that will go against us. So that was my that learning about compound effect. And like, yeah, in the time management thing also, a lot of things I have learned apart from whatever you have given me. And then in the career wise also, like how can we like change our circle from circle of concern to circle of influence. Because most of the people I see that they complain about that manager is not good to them, they are just ordering them to do stuff, because probably they are not seeing that potential that you can be creative or do your work probably efficiently. That is the reason they are telling you what to do, and probably they are little bit dictatorial to you. But once you start doing your work, once you start enjoying your work, and once whatever work is given to you, you will deliver more than what is expected of you, then you will be passing from area of concern to area, you'll transition to area of concern to area of influence. So that was again, I think I had never thought about this before, in my past so many such things had happened to me, and I had never, these things never occurred to me. And coming back to my experience, like my experience has been amazing, during these 7 days. Because what I feel that many people are not even able to learn these things what we have learned in the last 7 days. Because maybe Akashi, you are giving me all the critical things, 2 pages, 3 pages to read from a book. Otherwise, if we are want to figure out these things on our own, right, it will take us probably years. And it won't be like more if I say so that a lot of people, even during their last stage also, they live their entire life and still they are not able to figure out things about their time management and relationship and career. So that is what I would like to say. And I feel that whatever you have done, if these kind of courses are launched in market, probably they'll charge a hefty amount, 35K or 40K or something like that. Because nobody teaches these kind of life skills for free. That is what I would like to say. And in the last, I would like to give message to others, whoever is probably will come to this forum, that this is a golden opportunity for you to learn and grow yourself. Our ancestors and our elderly people tell us that books are your friends. And I would say that make books your friends, and they will never betray you. And this is the perfect forum where you can inculcate this habit of learning from the books, and you can grow yourself in career and other areas of your life as well. So that is all I had to say. Thank you for listening.